All right, last up, but definitely it's not least, it's a really important component of what you should have in your business, and that is your Jumpstart 90-day marketing plan. Now, my background for many, many years, and still is, that I write high-level agency marketing plans. What does that mean? These are really robust, very involved, very comprehensive marketing plans. Not everybody is ready for those, and if you are, contact me. I'm happy to talk to you about it, but if what you need is something that's practical, tactical, and you can implement sooner rather than later in 90-day chunks so that it helps you avoid overwhelm in how to market your business, you need to be at this class. Here's what I've done. This is a class I've run for many years, and the first half of the day, I'm going to take you through a very different process that's going to get you very clear on your ideal target client and your ideal target market. Now, you've probably heard those words over and over and over again. I guarantee when you come to this class, you're going to walk away with a completely different perspective. My goal in how I teach and everything that I do is to empower you with tools, knowledge, skill sets, and an understanding of why. Why should you work with this person? You're going to know who to talk to, why to talk to them, when to talk to them, what they need, and what to say when you do talk to them so that they can become your client sooner rather than later. But this concept of target market, it's everywhere. I get it. But this class is different because in a lot of the training that even I went through when I was learning how to do my businesses, I found that often this element of target market is very nebulous. What I mean by that is that it's not clearly defined, and more importantly, the way that many people train target markets doesn't get you the meat and potatoes of what you need. So in our Jumpstart program, I invest 3 hours in the morning to help you get really clear on who you should be working with, and you're probably going to find that there's golden opportunities waiting for you that you've never thought of. Then we break for lunch because, again, I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to feed you. It's all inclusive. And then when we come back from lunch, we're going to go into the 90-day marketing plan program. So I'm going to start showing you and taking you through some really practical steps that you're literally going to game plan out and write your 90-day marketing plan. This is bite-sized, but it's powerful. I've had students that have attended this class that all they did was a 90-day marketing plan with me, and in one case, I had a gentleman who had been in business about 40 years. He did this class about 5 years ago and pulled me aside afterwards and told me that I gave him enough information to market his business for the next 10 years. I'm really excited because I've been watching him apply what he learned, and he is just doing amazing. So this class we are holding at National University over at Carlsbad, so it's right off of Palomar Airport Road. It is a one-day intensive, and what I encourage you to do is make sure that you register early because I do have to get supplies. So again, contact me, register, and when you do connect up with me, I'll make sure we talk so that you're more prepared for what you need to know when you walk in the door. But I really want to help you grow your business this year. So I encourage you, you can do all these classes in order. You can do these classes in tandem, and at any time that you have questions, please feel free to contact me. I'd love to talk with you, find out and learn what's your vision. Where do you want to be for this year? Let's find out what's getting in the way, and then more importantly, let's break through those barriers and help you get the tools, the knowledge, the resources, and the support that you need to live the life of your dreams and live the business you truly deserve. So with that, my friends, thank you so much. I'm Deborah Sweet. Remember, live in your power, live in your peace, and my friends, rock on. Thanks.